Hi guys, in this video we talk about OnePlus 12. It's launched on December 2023. The OnePlus 12 dimension is height 6.47 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight is 220 grams and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of OnePlus 12, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 89.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the refresh rate is 120Hz. The brightness of OnePlus 12 is 4500 nits. And talk about the protection, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The platform of OnePlus 12, it comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 and the GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of OnePlus 12, it comes with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of OnePlus 12. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it's record 8K 24 fps video record. The selfie camera of OnePlus 12, it comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The battery backup, it comes with 5400 mAh battery and 120 watt wired fast charging, and it supports 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The common and the feature of OnePlus 12, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust water resistant. And the price of OnePlus 12 is $800.